Hello, welcome to our sandwich shop.
Yeah,
oh my
God. Think of a name. What's our sandwich shop called?
Two sandwich girls, obviously. Needs work.
Yeah.
Welcome to our sandwich studio.
Yes.
It's not a shop.
It's a studio.
This is where art happens.
I've been really into sandwiches.
Yes.
Really into sandwich. And because we have found a place that makes deli meat that is so good.
So good.
If you live in Hamilton, go to Nono's in the Hamilton Farmers Market. Mind will be blown.
Life-changing.
Life-changing sandwiches.
Sandwiches are underrated. Let's say it.
Yes.
Let's say it. And I think when you're not vegan, you can just get like a sandwich anywhere.
And they're so good.
And then you go vegan and you're like, what happened to the sandwiches?
You realize that a lot of, like, sandwiches just aren't the same anymore. Like, they're still really good vegan sandwiches, but they're not quite like those deli meat sub-style or like, you know, deli-style sandwiches. And ever since Nono's is open and you can buy deli by the gram, like, they're all so good.
It's so good.
I've been obsessed with sandwiches. I've been going weekly just stocking up. I've been spending too much money on sandwiches, but they're delicious. So we're just gonna make sandwiches together.
We're having a sandwich party here.
Yeah.
Making our sandwich dreams come true.
We have a bunch of things, plus, you know, everything else that's in the house.
Everything in the house is up for grabs
Yes.
for your sandwich.
Yes.
Okay. Well, I know that I want a bun.
Okay,
Nope.
you want a bun over. I think I'm gonna go a bun too.
The buns are just like, they're just so soft. I already touched them.
And I assume we'll split. We'll each take a half of each other's.
That's nice.
Okay.
Sorry. Sometimes bread.
Sometimes bread. No, I get
Sometimes bread.
it. The smell of bread is honestly the best.
Come on.
It's so good. And this is even backer
Like,
than bread.
intrusive thought is
Just eat it.
just bite into
I'm just
it.
gonna get us a cutting board.
Okay, I'm gonna remove the rejects.
So, do you have any idea what kind of sandwich you want to
Do
make?
you think I have anything going through my head? No.
I'm also going to try and keep track of mine and see if I can get one of these on the blog. I'll probably just remake it, but keep a rough track of it. I've been making a lot of sandwiches lately. What are you thinking? What meat are you thinking? I think that's kind of the most important place to start. Or are you thinking multiple meats?
I was thinking maybe at least 2 meats.
Yeah, I got Tuscan chicken, which is one of my faves. That one is ham. This one is mortadella. No, this one is mortadella. This one is mortadella, and this one is pastrami.
Oh my gosh. That one's good.
We also technically have Beyond Meat pepperoni that could be added to this if you want.
a lot.
I love the smell of pastrami so much.
I feel like
I love the smell of all of them.
I think I'm leaning pastrami mortadella.
Interesting. All right. I think I'm leaning ham and one of these two, but I just don't know which one yet.
Okay.
I think I'm leaning towards mortadella.
Okay.
Okay.
I don't know where
I
to
need
start.
to build my sandwich before I actually start building my sandwich. You know, I need to build it in my brain.
Balsamic figs and dates.
I just bought this.
See, I don't know. That's so fancy. I don't even know what to do with it.
It's also, so I've also been really leaning into dressing my lettuce
I think that's really smart.
instead of like just spreading on mustard or something. So I've been doing like a mustard-based dressing that goes on the lettuce.
Yes.
Lately, but-
wow, that's really smart.
I'm trying to think, I think I'm gonna decide on cheese next. And like, do I want to toast it? Do I want the cheese melted? Good question.
The problem is, I would only, if I want it toasted, it's like super, super lightly, but that won't melt the cheese.
Maybe
on the
meat-
parchment
on the-
paper.
oh.
Doesn't Subway do that or something?
We could try that. Do you think that would work?
It's risky.
It's risky, but we could try it. I'm definitely gonna put tomato on mine, I think.
Yeah, I like tomato. I like that.
I think I'm leaning towards Swiss for mine.
Because you're doing ham?
I'm doing ham and something else.
Yeah.
Are you putting lettuce on yours for sure?
Yes.
Okay, I'm gonna cut up some lettuce.
Okay. Do you think I should just like turn the oven on to broil?
I'm thinking
I'm
so. I'm
nervous.
thinking a low broil though.
Low. Keep it
Because we don't want to burn the
No.
cheese before it has a chance to melt.
Or the
right?
meat.
I also apologize. I don't have any dill pickles. I know that's your preference. They're bread and butter pickles.
That changes everything. But I feel like
You also don't have to put pickles on. You think this is enough for both of us?
I want to have to put pickles on.
Probably, right?
Yeah.
Since there's gonna be other stuff.
Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna arrange my meat and then you can do your meat.
Yeah.
You said you don't know what this one is?
I think it's provolone.
Oh. Well, whatever it is, I like that smell.
It's nice. It is nice.
Okay,
I'm pretty
I'm
sure I
doing
got
this
the provolone. I'm gonna do Swiss. Oh.
When you know, you know.
Can I actually? I want to see if they even smell different.
What if they smell the same?
Yeah, I know. No, they smell slightly different.
Okay.
They still have that like violet or the Nafsika's garden smell, but
How much meat do you usually put in it? Is this like a good amount?
it's probably about what I put
Okay.
on. Yeah.
Okay. Oh, this is... Looks like nothing, but it's exciting. The potential is exciting to
The
me.
potential is very exciting.
Yeah.
Oh, I gotta put mozzarella on it. So good.
That's why you gotta do the smell test, because that will answer
Yeah.
your question.
I think so too.
Should we be doing multiple kinds of cheese too?
I mean, up to you. That could be a good idea. I'm doing all three, I've decided.
But what
I'm gonna
kind?
do a thin layer of pastrami. So
Why do
you've got,
I want cheddar?
You've got like, I think cheddar could be a good
Okay.
option. Or even mozzarella. But I think cheddar could be a nice option
I think
for
I'm
it.
gonna go cheddar. I don't know, it's speaking to me and I don't know why I'm trying to ignore it.
I agree.
Why don't I just listen? Okay.
Alright, that's good.
Yeah, you gotta do the bun measurement.
Okay.
Yeah.
I love doing this. The triangle.
What the heck?
Subway style.
Oh, it's been so long. Forget. And not like I worked.
So this can, oh, you're gonna add more cheese.
Just
Do
a
I
little
want
bit
more
more
cheese
cheese.
outside of Swiss?
This could be one of those things where I'm like, I keep adding things and then it's
You don't know when to stop?
bad.
But this is the thing, I have very rarely had like a bad sandwich, especially one that contains such good ingredients.
Okay.
Like I've had like boring sandwiches, but this won't be boring.
Better not be.
I think I'm gonna stick with just the Swiss. Since I have 3 meats too,
True.
I think I'll stick with the Swiss.
Okay. Oh, I'm so excited to see this melt.
I know.
It better melt. It better melt.
All right, ready? Did you want any like salt and pepper? I think it's fine.
Uh-uh.
Okay.
We got eyes on the
I'll check
eyes.
very carefully.
Eyes.
Okay. What am I doing now? I'm definitely putting pickles on.
Obviously.
Do I want to put? I actually haven't tasted this. I
That's
saw
such
the name
a unique
and
flavor. I don't know if I know how to
I
work with
got
it.
really excited about it. Oh, it smells so good.
Let me smell. That was a big sound. Shit.
Oh, so nice. You want to taste
That
it?
does smell really good.
Ooh,
What?
it's so nice and sweet too because of the figs and the dates. Oh, I like that a lot. That's
How
nice.
sweet. I don't know about sweet.
It's not too sweet. Oh, mayo. We also gotta take mayo out.
Oh yeah, I was wondering about that.
Just didn't have it.
Oh yeah, sweetness at the end.
Right? I think I'm gonna put that in my sandwich in some way.
How's our cheese?
Oh yeah. Looking good so far. Looking good.
Looking good, looking strong. I think we have to focus on the component next.
Mm-hmm.
How are you dressing the lettuce?
I think I might just do a simple vinaigrette.
Okay.
Like probably just like a white wine vinaigrette. That's what I think I'm gonna do.
Oh my gosh.
I can, if you know what flavors you want, I can help you make a vinaigrette because I know you're not as confident about that.
What do you mean?
But if you know what flavors you want, like seasoning, spices, or if you want a really simple, which vinegar you want. There's balsamic, white wine, red wine.
I think
rice
I want a
vinegar.
balsamic vibe.
Balsamic?
Yeah. I need to smell everything.
I mean, it's smart to smell everything. Salt and pepper for sure. Oh, what's this doing?
Oh my god, we keep
Oh, it's
forgetting.
melting.
It's working.
It is working.
It's working. It's probably like close, right? Getting close.
Probably soon, yeah.
You want pepper?
Yeah, salt and pepper. I'm gonna add just a teeny bit of this mustard.
What's that, yellow?
Yeah, just so it can emulsify together. Oh, we should check our meat.
I feel like it could come out. How much do you put in? Like that much?
Yeah, it depends how mustardy you want it to be.
I don't know.
That's probably the lowest amount I would put, but you'll still get mustard flavor out of it.
Okay, okay.
But you can just taste it after and see if you want more mustard
That's
in it.
so true. Gotta taste, gotta smell, gotta use all your senses. We're gonna end up using so many spoons now.
I'm gonna put some Italian seasoning in it.
Oh.
I think I'm gonna alter my mayo a little bit. Not a lot, but I think a little bit.
I'm trying to think if I want like a garlic, onion, paprika mayo.
Ooh,
Almost like
that's
what you'd want to
nice.
dip your fries into.
I love that. I'm doing a maple mayo.
Maple mayo.
Yeah.
Maple mayo.
I feel like that's the one thing I might be missing from my thing is just a little hint of sweetness.
I think so too, but the pickles have some sweetness.
Yes, they definitely do, yeah.
So, I don't know. Golly.
Okay.
What do you want?
I need to dress my lettuce, I guess.
Yeah.
So I guess we need
Get
bowl.
dressed.
Let me get a second bowl to split that up.
This is a big bowl game.
Let's build our sandwiches. Did I say sandwiches?
I don't know.
Sandwiches.
Sandwiches?
Sandwiches.
Now, which is the right side to slice?
I always rotate it to the other side. Oh, yours looks. I would do the other side, but again, I honestly don't know. That's just a guess.
Is untoasted bread controversial?
Is it controversial?
I just feel like there's like strong opinions about
I don't know.
toasted bread for sandwiches.
Even in like a deli like sub style sandwich?
Yeah.
Maybe, I don't know. I've never thought about it. All right, do our lettuce. I'm so happy about this. I love sandwiches.
It's gonna be so good.
That's a good amount of lettuce.
Yeah.
Perfect. Look at that.
Use it all. Wow.
I'm so happy. Are you a sliced pickle person like this or a round pickle person? Like cut into rounds?
I think more slice.
Interesting. I'm more of a round.
Oh.
But they didn't have any in rounds that weren't in giant jars.
Ugh, love pickles. So
happy.
It's beautiful.
So happy. Okay.
Oh my gosh.
Okay, but like, what? Look at these sandwiches.
Wow.
Oh my goodness. Time to eat.
Which one first?
Let's try yours.
Wow.
I have it in my hand. And it was also felt like it was gonna fall over.
Yeah.
All right.
Oh,
Ready?
I don't know.
That's a good sandwich. Oh, it's so nice.
Mmm. Honestly, none of the flavors are popping as much as I was worried there's gonna be one that was gonna overpower. Yeah.
Yeah. I'm honestly even surprised by the cheese. I thought it was gonna be overwhelming too, but I don't think it is. That's delicious. So delicious.
It's so
Why are
good.
they so good? All right. Time for this one. I love sandwiches.
Ah. Oh,
So good. Oh, I love that mustard.
I was gonna say, the mustard is popping.
This is so, but we made perfect sandwiches.
This is a sandwich. You need to do
It's
this.
so good.
Find,
so good.
find the best selection of ingredients you can.
Yeah. Let us know. I know this is really not an accessible ingredient because it's from a local place here in Hamilton, but let me know if you want recipes like this on the vlog. And you do. I can tell you right now, you do. Oh, God. So good.
I think we gotta make more sandwiches this year, no matter
Yeah. You know what I'd be so intrigued to try with this? The chopped sandwich thing.
what. Yeah.
We gotta try it. All right.
All right.
That's the video. You just watched us make and eat sandwiches.
Thanks for coming to our sandwich shop. We are doing recipe development
Yeah.
for our sandwich shop.
Yeah.
Let us know in the comments what's your favorite sandwich.
Yes.
And make sure to subscribe so you don't miss more sandwich content. Yes, we are a sandwich channel now.
Yeah. Sandwiches and desserts.
No, we're about to go make pasta actually.
Right.
Confusing.
All right. Bye. I'm
Bye.
gonna go eat these now.